To be part 2 of our second session. So we're going to just build up this account from 100K and see how quickly we can get it to 200K. So let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and go to next New York session. Gotcha. So the main thing I am going to be keeping an eye out for is where is the stop loss best at? Is it best below the inversion gap or above it, depending if we're going long or short? Or is it better below the previous swing high or the previous swing low? And for a higher win rate, it's definitely going to be with the swing low and swing high, right? But then again, the risk reward is not going to be as good. So it'll just like the statistics will have to measure out like the expected risk to reward in comparison to those. So definitely going to be seeing what is more beneficial to the results. But yeah, so right now we're at all-time highs. We just swept out previous all-time highs, moving down into a 4-hour bullish for value gap. So 1 hour change of state delivery right here. And previous day low, Monday's low right here. So let's see what price is wanting to do. I'll be more bullish today. Since we're retracing into this, we just swept at that previous day's low. Can move up. Still respecting this bearish trend. Yep. All right. I'm not going to trade until we break this bearish structure. Like right here, we break bearish structure. It's too thick for me. There you go. Break that structure. We'd like to see it pull back into this area like that, and then a move back to up. Beautiful. I don't know why it always takes so long to load and get to the 30-second. Right. Just a little 30-second gap, get inversed. As well as we had a 15-second or something in there, but this isn't more so an inversion trade. This is more just like a trend continuation. So here is going to be the trade. Get a big RR here. Place order, save. So here, obviously can't set my stop below that inversion, right? Because it's right there. So this is going to be below the swing. We are now in bullish structure, so this should play out. Go break even at this high right here. Just trending up pretty slowly here. Just break even. Look at that. That's why you always put your take profit or your stop loss a little bit below that previous swing, because this could just be a liquidity sweep for us to go higher, right? So it's an important thing right there. We'll go break even. See if there's any 15-minute for value gaps I need to be careful of. Let's just trail my stop pretty aggressively here. Since we are within these 15-minute gaps, I don't want to be too greedy, right? Just going to keep trailing aggressively. Oh my gosh. Wait. Whoa. Okay, I missed it by a tick. Just going to keep trailing tightly. Bang, stopped out there. Would not have gotten full take profit. Or would we have? Zoom out for you guys. Okay, full take profit would have been hit. So that's a quick dub already. Look at that trade. Nice little 2.8R. Very nice. Like, guys, literally just go with the trend and you will see so much better results. Like, that's all you have to do. Just follow the trend. Literally all you got to do. No need to bottom and top tick. No need to catch the bottom of the move. Just take the middle, take the semi start, and your win rate will go up. And just all of your trading will improve. Start to see better results, and everything will just end up being so much better. Right here, definitely bullish to these highs. We got London highs already swept. We're respecting this 15-minute gap, continuing to push higher. Don't really see any reason to not go higher. 1 hour bullish bounce. Bro, I think I remember trading this. I'm not even kidding. This was from a long time ago, but we'll see a pullback of some sort and some gap. Okay, like this 5-minute gap. Okay. Could go long early here. Well, there is our liquidity swept out. Now we're just melting. Oh, what's going on here? All right, we resweep liquidity. This price action's terrible. Yeah, I'm not trading this. All right, just avoid bad price action. Your win rate will go up. Simple as that. Gotta press so many buttons to get to 9:30, bro. Generally have to enter the flow state just to get to market open. Okay, we're at all-time highs, which everybody hates trading, but it's just part of it. You gotta suck it up. So within a 1 hour gap right now. Now, oh wow, look at that downtrend. Holy crap. Coming to this other 1 hour gap. So we move down pretty hard. Let's see. Okay, we swept out these London lows. Have not been swept out. So this could be a good continuation long, as well as we tap into a 4 hour bullish gap. So this would definitely be a good long. If we can get a change in state of delivery. Whoa, what? That was probably PMI. Red folder news at 9:45 right there. Yeah, never mind. We don't have anything to trade from, really. Okay, we're tapping the 5-minute here. This could be tradable opportunity. It's 5-minute gap. We just want to go, okay. I see what we're doing. We're trying to fill this new week opening gap. Okay. As well as this CPI low. See if we get anything down on the 1 minute. All right. Flipping bullish, it seems. Right, I'm going to go short here. Stop above that swing. Take profit down here at the CPI low. Probably trail stop once we get to the bottom of this gap. Reason for this trade is these two inversion gaps, as well as we came up into a 15-minute gap, and we are also still within, or we inverse the 5-minute gap actually, but we also inverse this bullish one. So 15-minute gap, just and a downtrend, right? Go with the trend. So what we're gonna do. Wow. Again, look at that. Set your stop a point or two above the previous liquidity, because you can always get a liquidity sweep before price wants to go where it wants to. All right, break even there. We just swept out that liquidity. I'm gonna trail stop here, trail profit rather. Keep it here. We have a 1 minute gap. All right, stopped out there. Probably could have trailed a little bit tighter. Probably will end up playing out lower. Nope. Look at that. Go to the next New York session. Gonna go on the 1 hour. Skip. It's so stupid, but it's whatever. Back down to 1 minute. I'm in flow state. Holy crap. Oh my lord. So got a pretty big sell-off, right? And we did end up sweeping out that CPI candle I wanted to hit overnight. We are now within a 1 hour gap. It's starting to trend more bullish though. Looks like we came, we did not quite come to this 1 hour gap. 1 hour bullish gap here, respecting all this stuff right here. Would want to see what we do from the midline of this, the equilibrium of this fair value gap, right around 784. So let's see what happens right at market open. Would love to come down in this 1 hour gap and take some continuation longs. Come on. Look at that. Wow, I'm going short here. Equilibrium of fair value gaps is so crazy strong. Like, it's pretty wild. We came to that 784 area I just talked about, and we immediately just start to move back down. Okay, I'm gonna go break even here. Break even. Wow, look at that. Just got saved by that break even. We got news at 10 o'clock. All right. Okay, this looks good for longs now. I'm going to go long here. Tap into this 1 minute gap. Get a really nice move back up. 15-second inversion. This looks pretty good to me. Long here. Stops below there. And then we can have a pretty crazy take profit because of all of these gaps. Take profit will be right here for a 2.41. Place order, save. Beautiful. Let's see how this one plays out. I need to think I'm gonna. Okay, that's good. Chopping pretty hard. We are trending upwards though, which I like. Trail stop a little bit. Okay, and break even there for this. Trailing stop aggressively. Previous high. Okay, trailing stop again. Trailing stop is so important, guys. Helps you secure so much more profit. Okay, I stopped out there. Would have ran to full TP. Just completely contradicted myself, but it's okay. It has saved me more times and it'll be worth it in the long run, I promise. I'll do one more trade. If any of y'all know how to like jump it to just 9:30 every morning, please comment, because this is like very annoying having to do this every time I want to go to a new day, but it's whatever. Okay, on the 1 hour, ooh, wow, we're chopping around pretty hard. 1 hour, see this obvious draw in liquidity, but it looks like this is the actual draw. This is a failure swing. We failed to hit this high, so this will probably get run through, but we'll probably end up coming up here as well. Then we also have these lows right here. Other than that, not seeing a lot. Got London highs up here. That's what we do. Huge rip off market open. Wow. Want to go long off any sort of pullback here. That doesn't count. Okay. This would count. Let's see what we got. 30-second inversion. Long here. Stops there. Full take profit all the way up here. Place order. Save. Flow state. We got a little quick sweep. This one's not looking too hot. Stop there. Holy top tick stop loss. Okay, here would be a better one. Yeah, I should have waited for this 5 minute to get tapped into. I just thought we had so much volume. I was expecting us to just continue it. All right, here we are. This will be a really, really good trade. There you go. That's 50%. Want to see us flip here. Want to see a nice flip. Ooh, we want to go lower. Look at that nice little V shape. Don't want to go long until we break this bearish structure. That looks good. Okay, I'm long here. Off of this inversion. We are in bullish structure again. Back up to these highs. Break even here. We're probably within a 5 minute gap. Break even here. Move my stop loss up here to these highs. All the way up here. So this is going to be a crazy trade if this hits. We'll trail stop here. A little bit. Trail tighter again. Once we hit this blue line up here, all right, I'm gonna trail super, super tight. Stopped out there, but watch. Yep. Oh. There we go. See, that's just experience in the markets there, right, guys? That was a banger. Holy crap. So here's a really good learning lesson. So when you see failure swings like this, a failure swing is when price moves back up towards the drawn liquidity but fails to take it out. And so a lot of people would come here looking to this day and say, oh, this is Friday's high. This is the clear drawn liquidity, right? No. Well, technically, yes, you can obviously trade to that. But if you want to maximize your profit, you're going to trade to this. This is the failure high, which is going to want to get taken out so much more. Like 9.9 times out of 10, we will come up to this, but we'll also come to this. Very rarely will we take this failure swing out and then move back lower. So, very good example there. Now I bet we start to reject a little bit from here. That's what I'm thinking. Very bullish day. But that was a pretty clear draw. Do one more trade and then I'm going to be done. Flow state. Let me activate flow state. Skip. 15 minute. Ooh. 1 minute. 1 hour. Locked. So locked. Oh, yeah. Give me shorts here. 1 hour bullish gap. Clear draws lower. And a pretty choppy uptrend. So this is called low resistance liquidity. Low resistance liquidity is when we just chop around. We don't really have big moves like this over here. We're kind of just chopping around bit by bit. So low resistance liquidity. Would love to take shorts from this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. Yep. Banger right here. This is a very early trade off a few minutes in the market open, but I like it a lot. Place order. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. This is going to be banger, boys. Stop loss. Break even. Come on, don't edge me. There we go. Oh, my lord, boys. Come on now. Trailing stop tight. Full take profit smashed. Full take profit smashed. That is going to be it for this session. Let's see the analytics. Oh, my lord. Damn. 55K profit and loss. 86% win rate. 1 break even. Average RR 1.44. Max RR 3.01. That looks very nice. 12 winners, 2 losers. You just love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Let's come over here to our actual dashboard. And these are updated stats. Yes, they are. 78% win rate across 41 trades. 2 minutes, 13 hours. I'm geeked. What the hell? Month and a half of back tested data and 2 hours and 15 minutes invested. I mean, this, like, come on. This is just amazing. Thank you all for watching. Leave any comments or any recommendations or anything I could do better. Appreciate y'all watching. Peace out, boys.